Children's Day Special, Homemade Easy Chicken Broccoli Rice Casserole. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to prepare a delicious and nutritious chicken broccoli rice casserole to celebrate Children's Day on October 1st. This dish is not only kid-friendly but also incredibly easy to make. So, let's dive right into the ingredients and preparation. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of cooked white rice. 2 cups of cooked and shredded chicken breast. 2 cups of broccoli florets. 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. Half cup of grated Parmesan cheese. 1 cup of milk. Half cup of chicken broth. 2 tablespoons of butter. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Half teaspoon of garlic powder. Half teaspoon of onion powder. Half teaspoon of paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. Cooking spray for greasing the casserole dish. Preparation. Step 1, prepare the rice to start. Cook 2 cups of white rice according to the package instructions. Step 2, steam the broccoli in a steamer or a microwave-safe bowl. Steam the broccoli florets until they are tender but still crisp. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes. Step 3, make the cheese sauce in a saucepan over medium heat. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it's melted, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and whisk constantly for about 2 minutes until it forms a paste. Gradually pour in 1 cup of milk while continuing to whisk. Add half cup of chicken broth and continue to whisk until the sauce thickens, which should take about 5 minutes. Now, season the sauce with half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. Finally, add half cup of grated Parmesan cheese and half cup of grated cheddar cheese. Stir until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce is smooth. Step 4, assemble the casserole in a greased casserole dish. Start by layering half of the cooked rice. Next, add half of the shredded chicken on top of the rice. Layer half of the steamed broccoli florets over the chicken. Pour half of the cheese sauce over the broccoli. Repeat the layers with the remaining rice, chicken, broccoli, and cheese sauce. Step 5, bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Cover the casserole dish with aluminum foil and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the casserole is hot and bubbly. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool slightly before serving. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. There you have it, our delicious and easy to make chicken broccoli rice casserole, perfect for celebrating Children's Day on October 1st. It's a wholesome dish that both kids and adults will love. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty and kid-friendly recipes. Happy Children's Day, and we'll see you next time.